Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Fashion Star Gold. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to cut a deep neck line. It's going to be a curved deep neck line. So I already rolled out the measurements. I have a video on how to draft a basic bodice. Just go to my channel, click on it and watch. So this is my shoulder, the armhole, the chest line, the bust point line, the under bust, this is the waistline, and this the hip. So I've already drawn out the line of my set. This is my dart. I took 2 inches dart and half inch dart at the center. So I'll connect the dart with the cuff to the half inch under the bust point. So I'm connecting this way. So this is how I'm going to connect it. That's the breast cup. I'll turn around and connect the center breast cup to the half inch. It's going to be a deep neck. So I'll come here and take 1 inch here. I'll take half inch here. I'll connect it to the bust point this way. It's going to be a sweetheart cuff neck. So this is my waistline. I want to measure 1 inch this way, 1 inch or 1.5 inches, but I'll take 1 inch here and measure 2 inches. From here to here is 1 inch, from here to here is 2 inches. For the bust point, I'll measure 1.5 inches and I'll connect it to this point here. I'll blend it like this. I'll come in by half inch, by 5 inches here. I'll come down by half inches here. Then I'll connect it down. Then I'll turn like this and connect it to half inch here. If you don't want it to start from this 1 inch, you can connect it from these 2 inches. Let me connect that as well. We will take one of them. So I'm connecting to the 2 inches that I measured. This is the waistline. This part will be attached to the skirt to make it a gown, a short gown. So I'm going to place some appliques on it. You can cut it this way. You can still cut it in these 2 inches that I measured. So I'm going to use the 2 inches to cut. This is how the front side will look like. As I said, you can cut it out from here. You can cut it from here. So this is how the 2 inches will look like. Let me cut from this 1 inch for you to see how the 1 inch will look like too. So this is the effect I wanted to create on the front of the blouse. This is center front. This effect, if you look at the picture, you will see that the top of the gown has this. It has this effect. So you have to create it by cutting the way I'm showing you on how to cut it. And this is how to cut this. This is how to cut this applique. This effect now, you don't cut it straight. You cuff your hand like this way. Cuff it. When you cuff it, bring it out this way in a cuff form. And when you are doing it, let this place be pointed. It has to be pointed. So this is the cutting aspect of it. Cutting tutorial. Then you get a basic pattern. You get a basic pattern first of all, like this. This pattern will be like the skin knit. It will be the skin knit. That is the one you use it first before this one will be on top of each other. To be on top of the basic pattern. So thank you so much for watching this video. This is just the cutting aspect of it. In due course, I'm going to sew it, and when I want to sew it, I'll show it to everybody. So please subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Thank you so much. Bye.